Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the document you want to style. Make sure you saved a quick backup first. Once done, go directly to the Design tab where Themes live. You'll see preset themes, colors, fonts, and effects. These are the building blocks. Click a theme thumbnail to apply it immediately so you can preview changes. If you like a look, move on. If not, switch themes until the overall layout and contrast suit your content and branding. Now you refine the theme by customizing colors and fonts to match your brand or readability goals. Choose colors to change headings, links, and accents. Choose fonts to pair heading and body text consistently. Once you set them, click Save as New Theme to preserve those combos. You can also tweak paragraph spacing and styles from the Home tab so the theme applies cleanly to headings, lists, and captions. Make sure to preview multiple. Finish by saving your final look. Design Save as New Theme so you can reuse it across documents. Then apply it to other files by choosing that saved THMX file from Themes. If some elements shift or fonts don't embed, open the Styles pane and update specific styles to match the theme. This fixes mismatches quickly. If a preview shows odd colors, check Document Color Mode and Printer Settings. When in doubt, reapply the saved theme, and then save the document again to lock changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.